to our new lecture. In this lecture, we will cover how to create dimension or how to add new dimension in our already existing data model, and we will also explore how we can create a calculated measure in our existing model or in a new creating model. So let's begin. First of all, we have to go to the modeler option, and then we have to select the model which we have already created. We have created earlier as for my previous lecture. The model name was sales underscore final 25. So it's getting the detail of that model. Here it is. Now you already know that we have created model with the measure, revenue, discount, quantity, and we have the dimension of date, region, and product. So if we want to add new dimension, so we have to go to the option. Here it is the plus option. We have to click on the plus sign, and then we have to give the name of the dimension. Let's say we have as you know, we have already the region dimension and the product dimension. So if we want to add add a customer dimension also, so let's add the customer ID, customer, and then click on the, here it is asking for the type of dimension. If we are using the account, if we are using the date, so we will use the particular type of the dimension. For this case of customer ID, we'll use the generic. Now click on the add button. Here it is. Now you can see that has been added. Now let's give the description of the customer ID dimension. Let's write here the customer ID identification. So the other option which is already available, that dimension table. If we have any fixed values, if our customer IDs are fixed, so we will use this option of customer of dimension table. So for now we will save our dimension, we will save our model. Here it is. Now it's asking for the default member. So for not assign any default member, we will use the unassign option and then click on the OK button. Now it's saving. Here it is. The message has been appeared. The model is saved successfully. So in case of addition of the new measure, we have to create on this on the measure plus sign, add measure. Here it is. Now let's say we are calculating our net revenue by using the already created measure, revenue and discount. So let's named it the net amount, sorry, net revenue, net revenue. We have to delete the space by using the underscore, and now Control C, Control D. Now we have given the description of our measure. Here it is. Now let's save our model again because we have now added our new dimension, added our new measure. In this step, we have now one new measure and one new dimension. So for the uploading of data, we will have to add both of these new column into our CSV file. So then when we will import data, we will do the respective steps. So our model has been saved. Let's go to the data management for importing our data and also mapping the required dimension and measure. So now I will click on import setting and then rerun query. Then the system will examining our model again, and it will give the particular required detail. So then we will map the required dimension and our measure. Here it is. Now the next screen has been shown. So for the for let's close detail section. Now let's go to the map to facts option. Here it is. Now you can notice that our new dimension and our new measure is showing into the unmapped section. We have to map. We have to again upload our file. So then we will manage our new dimension and our new revenue. For now, I will click on the cancel button. I'm sure you want to exit. Yes, because we have to alter our CSV file, data file, and then we will have to import it again. So let's edit our Excel file, CSV file. Here it is. Now, as you know, we have the values, a lot of values. Here it is. Now, as you can see that we have the desired columns already here, and now we have to add a measure, and then we have to add the column of customer ID. So let's update our CSV file. Here it is. Now our data has been updated. Let's use this file. Let's save it on our desktop. So then we will have it very. Let's say find this its location. Let's save as on the desktop. Here it is. Now I have saved it on my desktop. So let's go to the to upload my file. Replace data source. So for access this file, we have to again upload this file to my Google Drive. Let's upload my file to my Google Drive and then back again. So now I have uploaded my file to my Google Drive. Let's select the Google Drive, and then we'll have to select the file name. Let's select the Google connection, SK Google, as we have already used in my previous lecture. Let's select the file, SAP data, then click on the next button. Now it's uploading my data into SAC, but also verifying the column names. And now after finish, we have to go to the step of prepare data, and then here it is. Now the message has been come, preparation has been replaced successfully. Now let's go to the step what we were doing earlier. So let's go to data management and then go to the import setting. Now it's getting the information. Let's again go to the map to facts. Here it is. Now you can see that the net revenue and the customer ID is now showing. Let's drag and drop over net revenue to net revenue and customer ID to customer ID. Here it is. Now both our measure and dimension has been mapped. Let's click on the next button. Let's click on the next button. Validating data to validate. Here it is, data successfully validated. Let's click on the run import. So then it will import our data into SAP Analytics Cloud. So in this way we can add our new dimension and new measure into our already existing SAC model. So let's meet into new here it is. Now the message has been appeared. Data has been imported successfully.